how to reorder sections in Wix Editor. So let's get started. First, if you don't have an account, go to Wix Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address, password. You could also create an account using your Google and your Facebook. Okay, so once you have signed up or created an account here, you can now go to Wix dashboard and then look for that specific site that you want to edit. Or if you don't have one, then you can create a site here. So since I have already my site, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit my site. So once you tap edit site, it will take you directly to your Wix site here. This is my sample site. And if you want to easily, move or reorder sections, you just have to click that specific section right here, and you will see this option on the right side. So you can move up and down. But if you want to see the whole page, I mean the result, then you have to zoom it out. Okay, so you have to make this from 100 to 50%. So it would be easier for you to see the result right away. So again, you just have to click that specific section and then tap this arrow facing up or facing down. Everything is up to you. So you will see it. If you tap this, then click this arrow up and reorder this section. Same thing with moving it down. You just have to click that specific section and then move the section or move the arrow down. Okay, so that's it. That's the advantage of moving or reorder the section here on Wix Studio. You can also change percentage from 100 to 50 to see the whole result. Okay, so basically, that's how easy it is to reorder sections in Wix Editor. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.